How to fix Xiaomi 15 camera not focusing. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. After clicking on apps, you can see the option manage apps. Now click on it and then search here camera and then click on camera. Now on top you can see the option storage. Now click on it and now here you can clear your data. After clear your data, then go back and then scroll down and here you see all these settings. After that, go back and open system app settings. In system app settings you can see the option camera. Now click on it and then scroll down in last and now click on restore default settings. After restore default settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.